Oh boy, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah. Hey, you see that car over there? I bet it's gonna honk its horn. Hey, will you look at that? It worked.
Yeah, like magic.
Well, let me try that again. You see that bird?
Yeah?
I think it'll start tweeting in 3, 2, 1. Holy gamoly! Do you see that?
Yeah.
Now you try it, Jonesy.
Okay. I would guess we're gonna hear the sound of a train. Or maybe a duck. How about a kitty cat meowing? Maybe we'll hear a cow.
Yeah, I guess it's not your thing, Jonesy. Yeah, but don't sweat it. We all got different things we're good at.
Yeah, I'll keep trying. And it's great that you can do that trick, Mr. Whiskers.
Hey, thanks. Now I'm gonna predict it just sounds like a park.
Did it again.